Let's take a look at our problem of the day. Ms. Bodwin wants to measure the length of her pencil, but her ruler accidentally broke. Can you help her figure out how long her pencil is? Yesterday, when we were measuring with our own rulers, we had a specific strategy to find the length of an object to the nearest quarter inch. We're going to use some of that same thinking today to find the length of objects using a broken ruler. Now, yesterday, when we were finding the length of objects, we needed to line up our endpoint with the 0 point on the ruler. But because our ruler is broken, that might not be the case. But we can still follow the next step. Yesterday, the first thing we did was we counted the whole inch intervals. You can see that from the point of the pencil, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole intervals on the ruler. Let's go ahead and mark that now. So from 3 to 4, there's 1 inch. From 4 to 5, there's another inch. And 5 to 6 makes 3 inches. 6 to 7 makes 4 inches. And 7 to 8 makes 5 inches. There is an inch between 8 and 9, but the end of my pencil stops here. So I don't want to go all the way to 9. Yesterday, after we counted the whole intervals, then we counted the quarter inch intervals. We're going to do the same thing here. I can count 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Let's go ahead and mark that. So when we put these together, we can say that the pencil is 5 3/4 inches long. Let's write that down. 5 3/4 inches long. So even on a broken ruler, using the same strategies that we did yesterday, by finding the whole intervals and then finding the quarter inch intervals, we can find the length of an object even on a broken ruler. Let's go ahead and look at our notes and stamp that. So our thinking question today, we need to think how many whole intervals and how many 1/4 intervals does it take to measure from end to end. You may have looked at this ruler and you may have immediately thought, because the end of the pencil is at 8 3/4, that was the length. But because the ruler is broken, we have to be careful not to get tricked. One way we do that is by counting those whole intervals and then how many 1/4 intervals it takes. Let's take a look at the try one more. On the next slide, you'll have a draw it to try your one more.